Hi, this is Rodstar Video. This is my unit. As you can see, I don't have double glazing. Now, there's a development happening right next door to my unit. It's happening Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's been allowed by my council, but there's very, very dangerous sound levels. Now, I just bought this J-Car sound meter from J-Car today, and it's very accurate at half the decibel to 1 decibel point. It's digital. Okay, it's very accurate. Right now when I'm speaking, it's 60 decibels. It's very, very accurate. Outside in my balcony, as you can see today, was 130.5. Very, very dangerous levels. Anything over 80s and 100s is very, very dangerous. I've got a young family, and they've gone over to Poland because of the situation. Now, inside my unit was a little bit less at 129.7, which is still quite dangerous. Not quite, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Now, the best part is the device can only go up to 130.5, and it reaches 130.5 outside. You've got circular saws, drills, cutting concrete, you name it, they're doing it. They're building a high rise a meter away. I don't have double glazing, and I'm in a really bad situation. I will get justice, as I said. 95.3 Psalms, for the Lord is great, God Almighty, King over all divine powers. So, I hope that no one's in my situation. It's very, very difficult. You've got a lot of parties involved, but I will get justice. I will.